Why does your scanner show the P0299 engine code? What does it mean? P0299 is a diagnostic trouble code for Turbocharger or Supercharger A Underboost Condition. This engine code indicates that the turbo or Supercharger A has excessively low output. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty boost pressure sensor, damaged charge pipes, failing turbocharger or supercharger, wastegate issues, low oil pressure, clogged air filter, EGR system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in a wide range of vehicles equipped with a turbocharger or supercharger, with forced induction engines like Ford, GMC, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet Cruze with a 1.4-liter turbo engine. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.